Visit the largest manufacturing trade show of the year, coming to the Royal Plaza Trade Center in Marlborough on September 28th and 29th, and you're invited.
Many times we have customers reach out to us and they need ceramic components and they only have a ceramic component with no prints. Send us your part, we'll reverse engineer it for you, we'll send you a print to sign off on, and we'll make a few prototypes so that you can try it out and see if it works in your equipment the way the previous parts have worked.
So basically there are 4 reasons that you would use ceramic components: wear resistance, high temperature,
or you need electrical insulation, chemical resistance.
And most ceramics are at least 3 times harder than steel. We're not worried about 1-piece, 3-piece, 5-piece orders. We're here to help you with material selection, design ideas, and a manufacturable component in the end. We want to get your project off the ground. Ceramics, sometimes your last resort, but the best solution.
If you're an engineer, product designer, or buyer of custom manufactured parts, then you need to be here for this 2-day live event at the Design-2-Part show. Register now, because these 2 days can change everything.